Welcome to my channel. A LINKSYS Wi-Fi extender boosts your existing router's signal, helping eliminate dead zones in your home. Follow this full guide to set it up smoothly. Place the extender halfway between your router and the weak Wi-Fi area. Plug it into a wall socket. Wait for the power LED to turn solid/blinking. Connect to the extender Wi-Fi on your phone/laptop. Go to Wi-Fi settings. Connect to LINKSYS Extender Setup or LINKSYS Extender XXXX. Open the web browser. In the address bar, extender.linksys.com. and press enter. This will take you the setup page. Click Start Setup. Here you will see two options for setup. Select Wireless Range Extender, then click Next. Now Extender will scan and show you available Wi-Fi networks. Select your home Wi-Fi network from the list. Now review the extended network settings and click Next to continue. Here you will see Spot Finder tool that help you place the extender in the best spot. If the signal is weak, just move to closer to the router. And click Next. Create an admin password to access your range extender settings, then click Next. You'll be prompted to register your product. This is optional, so you skip it and click Next. At this point, your LINKSYS Wi-Fi extender is set up. To confirm, check your phone's Wi-Fi settings. You should see a new network name, usually your original Wi-Fi name with EXT at the end. Select this new network and connect using the same Wi-Fi password as your main router, unless you changed it during setup. After a successful connection, unplug the extender and place it halfway between your router and the area with weak signal. This ensures the best performance. And that's it, your LINKSYS Wi-Fi extender is now set up and ready to boost your internet coverage. If you are unable to set up your LINKSYS Wi-Fi extender or need our assistance, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching.